Hi little gardeners, welcome to Little Star Cognitive Learning Online Summer Camp. My name is Erin Tanzir and I am your camp leader, and today our topic is very interesting, which is about gardening. Yes, everyone, now let's dig deeper into the gardening technique and tips that will help you become successful gardeners. We will cover topics such as planting section, soil preparation, and caring for your plants. Today we are going to learn about gardening and get our hands dirty. I have prepared a short tutorial video for all of you. Let's watch it together. So, wasn't that fantastic, little star? Choose a gardening activity that interests you most. Now it's time to get your hands dirty. Let's gather the gardening material and follow the steps for your chosen activity. Don't forget to take a picture and make a video and send it to me via my email address littlestarcognitiveLearning@gmail.com or Facebook Messenger. I am incredibly excited to witness the beauty you will create in your garden. Remember, gardening is not only about nurturing plants, but also about nurturing your love for nature and the environment. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to post them on the online platform or reach out to me directly via email. I am here to help you every step of the way.